How Earth was born, the violent beginning. Earth, the planet we call home, is a stunning masterpiece of lush greenery, sprawling oceans, and life in all its diversity. But our planet wasn't always this peaceful. Billions of years ago, Earth's landscape was a theater of chaos, fiery, molten, and unrecognizable. In this video, we'll explore the remarkable and violent story of Earth's formation, tracing its journey from cosmic dust to the life-sustaining world we know today. Prepare to journey through time, experience the turmoil and awe of creation, and marvel at the extraordinary forces that shaped our home. Our story begins about 4.6 billion years ago with the birth of our solar system. It all started in a vast, swirling cloud of gas and dust called the solar nebula. This nebula was a remnant of an older star that exploded in a supernova, scattering heavy elements like iron and carbon into space. Within this dense cloud, gravity began to work its magic. As the cloud began to collapse under its own weight, it started spinning, flattening into a disk with our sun forming at its center. The sun's intense heat and gravitational pull caused the leftover material to collide, clump together, and spin faster. This was the first step in forming the planets we see today. Within this cosmic blender, tiny grains of dust stuck together and grew larger. These chunks of rock, known as planetesimals, eventually collided with one another, creating even larger bodies. Over millions of years, this process led to embryonic planets, including the early version of Earth. At this point, Earth was unrecognizable from the planet we know today. It was in its proto-Earth phase, a fiery, molten ball surrounded by flying debris. Every moment, it was bombarded by other rocky bodies and asteroids hurtling through space. These collisions were unimaginably violent, generating massive amounts of heat, which turned Earth into a glowing ocean of magma. Not only did these impacts add new material to Earth's growing mass, but they also helped shape its structure. Heavier elements, like iron and nickel, sank toward the center, forming Earth's core. Lighter materials floated to the surface, creating the beginnings of Earth's crust. This differentiation laid the groundwork for Earth's layered internal structure: core, mantle, and crust. Yet, one of the most cataclysmic collisions in Earth's history was yet to come. A collision that would shape the future of our planet in a profound way. Around 4.5 billion years ago, Earth experienced a collision so intense it forever altered its identity. A Mars-sized body, known as Theia, slammed into the young Earth. The impact was monumental, creating enormous shockwaves that vaporized entire sections of Earth's surface. The debris from this collision was flung out into space, forming a glowing ring around Earth. Over time, gravity drew this debris together, gradually forming Earth's faithful companion, the Moon. This celestial neighbor not only lit the night sky, but also served a crucial role in stabilizing Earth. The Moon's gravitational pull helped regulate Earth's tilt, ensuring steady seasons and a stable climate, conditions that later became vital for life. But even with the Moon in place, Earth was still far from the planet we recognize today. Its surface was molten, its skies thick with toxic gases, and the beginning of life was still a distant dream. Over millions of years, Earth began to cool. The magma oceans on its surface gradually solidified to form a thin, rocky crust. While this process might seem slow and steady, it was far from peaceful. Volcanic eruptions constantly spewed lava and gases, filling the young atmosphere with carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other compounds. One particularly important question is, where did Earth's water come from? Scientists believe much of it arrived from asteroids and comets that bombarded Earth during what's known as the Late Heavy Bombardment period. These cosmic travelers carried frozen water and other essential chemicals, delivering the seeds of Earth's oceans. As Earth cooled further, the water vapor in the atmosphere condensed into rain. It wasn't a gentle drizzle. It was torrential rain lasting thousands of years that filled the planet's first oceans. The combination of cooling and hydrological transformation marked one of the first major steps toward habitability. By this point, Earth was no longer the molten hellscape it once was. Oceans stretched across its surface, and the atmosphere, while still toxic to life as we know it today, had begun to take shape. Plate tectonics were set in motion, The movement of these massive slabs of rock formed the first continents and reshaped Earth's crust over millions of years. But Earth wasn't only shaping its surface, it was also forming invisible shields to protect its delicate beginnings. Deep inside the planet, the spinning iron core generated a magnetic field. This magnetic field enveloped Earth, shielding it from harmful solar winds that could strip away the atmosphere. With a solid crust, a dynamic atmosphere and shielding in place, Earth was slowly becoming a suitable stage for the emergence of life. Earth's journey wasn't a guaranteed success story. In our solar system, we see examples of how things could have gone very differently. Venus, often referred to as Earth's sister planet, offers a glimpse of what might have happened if Earth's greenhouse conditions had spiraled out of control. Venus remains trapped in a fiery, toxic atmosphere, with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Mars, on the other hand, shows what could have happened if Earth had been smaller. Without a strong magnetic field or sufficient gravity, Mars lost much of its atmosphere and water to the harsh solar wind, leaving behind a dry, barren landscape. By comparison, Earth struck the perfect balance. A combination of size, position in the solar system, and the cooling of its surface ushered in a unique opportunity for life to flourish. The final step in Earth's transformation was creating conditions that could nurture life. The early atmosphere, rich in carbon dioxide, was slowly modified by volcanic emissions and chemical reactions. Eventually, the combination of the right elements, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, interacted in Earth's oceans to create the building blocks of life. The magnetic field, the presence of water, and the regulation of Earth's climate by the moon all played their part in crafting an environment ripe for the emergence of life. Earth's violent beginnings, full of bombardments and immense destruction, had set the stage for the extraordinary. Earth's story isn't just unique to our solar system. It reflects the larger process of planetary formation throughout the universe. Across the cosmos, stars are born, planets form, and entire systems evolve in violent, chaotic ways. The differences between lifeless and life-supporting planets are staggeringly delicate. Each planet, whether close in composition to Earth or vastly different, carries the scars of its early formation. For us, however, the chaos of those early years created not just a habitable planet, but one that could one day foster intelligent life capable of reflecting on this incredible transformation. Take a moment and look at the world around you. The oceans, forests, mountains, and skies. Every step in Earth's formation, every collision, every period of devastation led to this. Our planet is the result of billions of years of natural processes working in tandem. The violent birth of a star system, the sculpting by molten fire, the delivery of water by icy rocks, and the delicate balance achieved by the presence of the moon. Though it seems serene now, Earth's peaceful beauty was born from chaos. It's a stunning reminder of the forces that shaped not just our planet, but the very fabric of the universe. And as we reflect on our origins, may we learn to cherish and protect this one-of-a-kind planet that has endured so much to become our home. Earth's story is far from over. While we've explored its tumultuous past, our planet's future depends on the care we take today. The journey from a fiery, molten world to the life-sustaining haven we inhabit is a testament to the resilience and interconnectedness of the universe's processes. Just as Earth was shaped by its origins, our actions will shape what it becomes. So, next time you look at the moon or gaze at the ocean, remember the violent beginning that made everything you see possible. Earth's history is a breathtaking reminder that beauty often emerges from chaos. Let's honor that history by ensuring this remarkable planet endures for generations to come.